Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy stocks on eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you're not already by going to eToro.com right here. And once you've done that, you're going to be greeted by this main page. From this home page, you have the join eToro option that you can use for signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in the upper right corner by clicking the login button, and it's going to enable you to enter in your account. So once you've done that, at the left side of the screen, you are going to see a new menu appear that's going to enable you to access all the sections that you need for trading, investing, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to buy stocks. As you can see here, we have an official eToro Help Center article on how to buy stocks. Once you found a stock you want to invest into, you can click trade or buy. So basically, your stocks are going to be right here. You're going to be able to open up the trading platform and trade markets, and this is going to enable you to buy stocks where you can see you can invest in top markets. Once you find the stock you want to buy, as you can see by clicking start investing in stocks, it's going to take you to the page to see all stocks such as Apple, Tesla, and so on. You're going to go ahead and be able to enter in the amount you wish to invest by clicking trade or buy, and then you can click open trade. So basically, buying stocks is opening a trade. So you're going to open trades on those stocks, and once you've gotten them, they are going to appear in your portfolio. You're going to be able to see them grow, how much you have, and so on. And it's all going to be doable from your portfolio right here, the left side of the screen. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.